MMUN is there to help and provide scaffolding for this work for teachers, for students, and for parents. MMUN has created a series of meetups and workshops scheduled throughout the year. In this way, all participants can be able to incrementally gain confidence with the program, share experiences, and engage with peers, their community, well before the conference. Let me share these resources with you. First, for the students, we have 2 different online programs. The first is the working sessions. The students are given a topic that's important to them, and then they represent their own point of view. During these sessions, they meet delegates from across the world. They practice the rules of procedure and how to build consensus, all the skills that will be utilized in the conference. The other type of program for students are the student meetups. These are more informal exchanges where fun games and physical activities where students meet and engage with their peers. And it strengthens their sense of belonging to a community of young people beyond their classroom. For teacher coordinators, MMUN has created live interactive discussions online with teachers partaking in the conferences. Discussions about materials, research, and procedures to promote best practices in the preparation for MMUN. It also provides an opportunity for the coordinators to meet and interact and engage with a community of fellow teachers from across the world. For parents, MMUN has created workshops to support ambassadorship at home and to promote responsible online presence. After the classroom preparation and the student meetups and workshops, MMUN culminates in a conference event. It can be online or it can be face-to-face. At the conference, the students present their ideas, listen to others, find common ground to solutions so they can obtain consensus on solutions rather than pushing forward with competing ideas. In summary, MMUN is a transformative experience that provides not only substantive academic growth, but also personal development with the potent addition of connecting with an international community of young problem solvers. But you must see it to believe it. Come join us for MMUN Year-long Program 21-22. You won't regret it.